two, one.
Hey, hey, it's me again, Jay Rich. Man, I've been through a lot. Things have changed. Times have changed. I mean, I can tell you, but I'd rather just spit it to you. Yeah, so here it is. I'ma shine, no matter how dark it gets. I swear I've been through too many dark events, but through the darkness, I am still here, still spitting the truth. For those who wanna hear, I'm doing this for y'all. Thanks for lending me your ears. Most say I'm different, not like all my peers. Probably 'cause I cry blood and I bleed tears. You might think that's messed up or it's quite weird, but that's what stress does if you're taking it in years. And I swear to you, I tried to make my problems disappear. I used to pray to God, leaving messages with details. I guess his line was busy and he never checked his voicemail. With the world on my shoulders, I was destined to fail. But in these circumstances, I turned out pretty well. Despite my chances, I stayed up out of jail, and I'm still standing here while the rest all fell. I done been through hell. Take a look at my soul. Welcome to the mixtape. This is Damage Control. I done been